Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Tiki 25-inch stainless steel fire pit. If you're looking to have plenty of firepower at an affordable price, the Tiki is the ideal option for you. The Tiki fire pit is constructed from stainless steel 16 gauge with a weatherproof coating on the outside for an item that is made to last. The fire pit is sleek and features a unique internal airflow system that produces an even fire than competitors, with less smoke and with less dust. The fire pit is made of traditional firewood, which makes it an item you can carry with you on the go, and you can also select the wood pack from the brand to start a fire in a flash. It will burn for 30 minutes in each pack. When used with the Tiki brand wood pack, there is no need for a scout badge. One match can provide the full flame in just 5 minutes and last about 30 minutes. There is enough time for you to recharge, unwind and connect. There's no need to judge, you could always buy another bag. Ash pan for quick cleaning as well as less mess. Our second best fire pit for camping is Amigabelli fire pit. If you're seeking a traditional fire pit with no noises or bells, then the Amigabelli is the one for you. The Amigabelli is made of cast iron that is heavy duty for durability that is also resistant to rust, which means you'll be able to enjoy this fire pit in many years to remain. It's simple to put together within 5 minutes, and its handles are portable and permit you to move your pit from one location to another. The metal fire pit is constructed from durable, thick cast iron that has a size of 2.28 mm. The fire pit is finished with a black high-temperature paint to provide durability and heat resistance, to ensure durability and function for all types of weather. It is easy to put together and will take only 5 minutes to build, provides an enjoyable fire and warmth to those who are still in the pool, and the evening breeze cool. The fireplace is ideal to enjoy on a deck, patio or in the backyard during camping. Third choice in our list is Outland 58,000 BTU's fire bowl. If you're looking to have an instant bonfire on the beach or even a simple campfire, you'll love this. The Amazon bestseller Outland Fire Bowl is the perfect choice for those who want to have a quick fire at the beach. You can simply pack your fire pit in the cover and carrying kit and carry it around on the go. It's completely free of sparks to protect campsites and forests from wildfires. It's easy to adjust the knob according to your preferences. A portable fire pit is light and portable, it is easy to put up without tools. All-weather fire bowls provide the cleanest and most smoke-free flame that is warm and cozy, creating a stunning evening ambience. CSA-approved fire pits are suitable for use in the majority of campfire bans. Make sure you are aware of the current restrictions on fires in your region. Spark-free propane campfires help safeguard forested areas and campgrounds by providing a safe, easy-to-use fire source. It comes with a cover and carry kit with a pre-attached 10 FT hose that keeps your 20-pound propane tank cylinder hidden from view, fully adjustable regulator with a chrome valve knob to allow different flame heights, along with a 4.4-liter natural rock set created to increase the flickering effects. Accessories available to add: CSA certified natural gas conversion kit 780 as well as standard carry bag 760 available separately. Number 4 in our side is Bali Outdoors wood burning fire pit. The Bali Outdoors fire pit, you can cook nearly every food item you can think of with its rotating grill. The round fire pit measures 32 inches wide. It comes with an attachment for grilling that you can turn to the left and right and turn 360 degrees for effortless cooking. This fire pit includes an e-poker as well as a log rack, which will ensure that wood pieces remain interspersed for better burning. This fire pit that burns wood only available to customers of Bali Outdoors. Make sure you recognize the logo of the brand when you purchase. Grill can rotate 360 degrees, making swing either way. Grill is adjustable both up and down, and is fixed with screws. It is a black circular fire pit, has been designed with an outer ledge surrounding the central fire zone, allowing the easy access to roasting and drinking equipment. The fire pit has the circular steel ring, which is mounted on 4 legs, which makes this fire pit more sturdy. The frame can be folded down to contain logs to allow to improve ventilation, offers ample space to build a fire. The log rack and poker are both included. The fire barbecue grill has ample cooking grill space. It is safe for cooking on. Last in our top 5 best fire pit for camping list is TerraFlame Fire Bowl. This TerraFlame Fire Bowl is it. The portable pit comes in an unassuming concrete bowl which can also be used as a design element. It's extremely versatile and can be used as a mini fireplace for roasting s'mores and an eye-catching centerpiece when eating outside in the summer. It's powered by 13-ounce bottles that contain TerraFlame gel fuel, which will give you 3 hours of burning time per container. TerraFlame Fire Bowls add ambience everywhere. They are awe-inspiring fire pit that makes any gathering with family or guests feel warm, comfortable and enjoyable. Regarding sturdy and durability, this is a hand cast of natural sustainable concrete. It is a fire bowl, does not get hot and features natural look with just an ounce of sparkle. If you're looking for a present or a centerpiece that is impressive with its tabletop, fire bowl is the way to choose. Let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.